Hello, my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? I hope you guys are having an awesome, fabulous, most wonderful day. I know that I am. So, you guys, today I am here to do a VR for my friend's Creative Wings here on YouTube. You guys, she's having a subscriber and friends challenge giveaway, you guys. And all she's asking for is an 8x5, if I'm not mistaken. It's an 8x5 uh, tag. That is all she's asking for. Okay, and this is her video playing off in the background, you guys, so that I can give you some information about what's going on. So basically, it's from April the 24th to July the 27th, and you have to July the 30th for late entries, and the winner will be announced on July the 31st. You must be 18 years of age and older, and you must be subscribed. Definitely give that video a thumbs up. If you're entering, please comment I am in and your email so that she can send you her address. Okay, so you want to go ahead and put your email in the comments when you go to her video and comments. I will leave a link to her comment down below. And let me just get to the part. Okay, so the entry request is the 8x5 tag, and she wants you to create it in your own style, in any style that you wish. She wants you to decorate only one side, and she asks that it's not too bulky. Okay, she's also requesting that you guys do a VR. If you want to, the VR is optional, but the benefit of doing the VR is that you will get 2 entries into the giveaway. This is not a points system. She's not doing it by points, but what will happen is if you do a VR, then she'll put your name in twice. Okay, you guys, so I definitely recommend that you do the VR and let her know that you did the VR by commenting on her channel, letting her know that you put the VR there. She wants you to include a note card with your name, your channel name, and your address. So she doesn't want you to write anything on the tag itself. She wants you to go ahead and just include a little index card with your personal information and your channel name and stuff like that, because she does do other things on her channel and she would like to have your information readily available in case she wants to do something extra somewhere down the line. Okay, and in her video, you guys, I'm not going to show you the whole thing. Her video, you're going to see the prizes, you guys, and oh my goodness, like the prize, like she is going all the way out with these prizes, you guys. Definitely won't want to miss the opportunity to, participate and possibly win, because it's a nice, awesome prize, you guys. So definitely go and check it out. And show her some YouTube love and some YouTube support. Do it for the love, do it for the support, and everything else is an extra and it's a bonus, you guys. So with that being said, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you go and check her out. If you do come from my channel, over to her channel, just let her know that you came over, that you saw the VR on my channel. And again, I do encourage you guys to also share and do a VR to promote her giveaway, you guys. You have quite an amount of time. Her giveaway doesn't end until all the way in July. So you have a nice amount of time, and all she's asking for is an 8x5 tag, you guys, and not too bulky, so it won't even be too much to ship. So you guys, I do hope that you participate and support her. I know that I will be, and I'm super excited to see everything that she receives and everything that everybody creates. So with that being said, you guys, I want to send you all love, hugs, and blessings, and I hope you guys continue to have a marvelous day, and definitely go and show her some love and some support. Her name is Rosie, and I will check you guys out on the next one. Bye.